Good morning, how are you this morning? Good morning to you. Good morning, boys and girls, how are you today? We are in the garden again because it is a beautiful sunny day. Dino's got his shades on. Think he looks cool? Oh. Try and keep them on, Dino, that would be a good idea. Excellent. Right, so how are you all? Are you all good? How did you get on with brushing your teeth last night? Yeah? Did you get on super? Let me see them. You might have to take your glasses off to see them. Oh, yep, they're looking pretty good. They looking okay? Do you want your glasses back on? Right, okay, put the glasses back on. Excellent. Oh, try not to poke Dino's eye. That would be a good idea. Okay, so another day of toothbrushing. So, would you like another little story? Yeah, you would. Okay, well, we do the story first before we do the toothbrushing, or we do the toothbrushing first. I'll tell you what, we'll do the toothbrushing first, and then you can sit and relax and listen to the story. That might be quite good, hey? That might sound okay. So, has everyone got their toothbrushes at the ready? There we have, Dino has his toothbrush at the ready. Your toothbrush, of course, is a lot smaller, isn't it? Otherwise you wouldn't be able to get it in your mouth. But because Dino's got such a big mouth, he has to have a big toothbrush. Okay, right. Have you got your toothpaste? Toothpaste at the ready. And we need to put our pea-sized amount on our toothbrushes. And we need to open real big. What do we need to do before then? We need to make sure we're doing it for the right amount of time. So, can you remember what that is? That is at least 2 minutes. Okay, so I've got my 2-minute timer. So we will set 2-minute timer. Ready, and there it goes. It's gone over. And I'll just pop it back there. Okay, so nice and wide and nice dry toothbrush all the way around the outside and all the way round outside on that side, and open nice and big like that. Excellent. Well, we sing the song while we do it, because the song I was going to sing today was Baby Shark song, but I was going to change the words, so it goes a bit like this, okay? Brush your teeth, do 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 do. Brush your teeth, do 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 do. Brush your teeth, do 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 do. Brush your teeth. Round and round, do 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 do. Round and round, do 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 do. Round and round, do 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 do. Round and round. Up and down, do 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 do. Up and down, do 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 do. Up and down, do 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 do. Up and down. Brush your teeth, do 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 do. Brush your teeth, do 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 do. Brush your teeth, do 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 do. Brush your teeth. Round and round, do 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 do. Round and round, do 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 do. Round and round, do 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 do. Round and round. Up and down, do 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 do. Up and down, do 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 do. Up and down, do 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 do. Up and down. Spit the bubbles. Oh. Brush your tongue, do 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 do. Brush your tongue, do 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 do. Brush your tongue, do 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 do. Brush your tongue. Spit the bubbles, do 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 do. Spit the bubbles, do 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 do. Spit the bubbles, do 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 do. Spit the bubbles. Whoa! Rinse your brush, do 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 do. Rinse your brush, do 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 do. Rinse your brush, do 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 do. Rinse your brush. Oh, I don't know about you, but I'm exhausted now. How did you get on with your brushing? Yeah, did you do a good job? Did you like that song? I quite like that song. It's a nice happy tune, isn't it? Well done. Good brushing. So that's our 2-minute timer. Just about finished. A few seconds to go. Okay, just in time to put your toothbrush to dry in an upright position, away from other toothbrushes, okay? So it doesn't spread germs about. So what have we got here? We have got a story. Now, some of you might have heard this story, especially the boys and girls that Dino and I come and visit in the schools and the nurseries in Easter Ross, in the Highlands of Scotland. So I'll just leave Dino there just now. So the story is smile, crocodile smile. I haven't got a book about a baby shark, so we're going to read a story about a crocodile instead, okay? I'm just looking at my dog. He's sunbathing in the garden. Can you see him? Look, I'll show him to you. Dizzy. Dizzy. I don't know if you could see him then, because the sun's very bright today, isn't it? Okay, so my dog is Dizzy, by the way, in case you're wondering what I was calling him. Probably thinking it's a very strange name, but he is quite a dizzy dog. So it's time to wake up at the mango tree house. Ruby brushes her rabbit teeth. Liam brushes his leopard teeth. And Max brushes his monkey teeth. So there's the leopard. There's the rabbit, monkey Max, and Zoe brushes her zebra teeth. And Clarabella, who do you think Clarabella is? That's right, Clarabella is the shark. And she brushes and brushes and brushes her teeth, because she's got quite a lot of teeth to brush. Do you think she's going to be a long time brushing those? I think she will. I think it's going to take a lot longer than 2 minutes to get those teeth all brushed. It's playtime at the mango tree house. Ruby builds a sandcastle. Liam races on his scooter. Max makes a mess. And Zoe plays with a puzzle. And Clarabella, what do you think Clarabella's doing? What's she doing? Yes, you're right. She's brushing her teeth still. So she brushes and brushes and brushes her teeth, and she's maybe got a little bit maybe about halfway along. Oh my goodness. She doesn't look very happy either, does she? Poor Clarabella. It's lunchtime at the mango tree house. So what are they all going to eat, do you think? Do you think they're going to eat mango? Do you like mango? So Ruby nibbles a yummy mango. Liam licks a mango lolly. Now that would be quite nice today, wouldn't it, on a nice hot sunny day. Max sips his mango milkshake. There he is. And Zoe munches a mango sandwich. I don't like the idea of a mango sandwich, do you? No, not at all. Sorry, that's my neighbours doing something in their garden. And Clarabella, well, she is still brushing her teeth, isn't she? She brushes and brushes and brushes her teeth. It's tumble time at the mango tree house. So we've got Ruby doing a roly-poly, Liam making a leopard leap, Max is bouncing up and down, up and down, up and down. He's disappeared off the page, look. And Clarabella, well, Clarabella's doing a little dance, isn't she? She's like a ballerina, isn't she? And what is Clarabella doing? Clarabella has brushed all her teeth and she's off to find her friends. But where are they? Oh no! Where do you think they are? Well, it's almost bedtime at the mango tree house. We've come to brush our teeth. Say all her friends. Look at them, they're all ready to brush their teeth. And Clarabella, well, she sighs a long crocodile sigh. And then Ruby has an idea. What do you think Ruby's idea is? Close your eyes, Clarabella, she says. Everyone close their eyes. Ready? It's surprise time. You can open them again. Surprise time at the mango treehouse. So she's wrapped a very big, long present for Clarabella. What do you think's inside that? Can you guess? You're right. It's a crocodile toothbrush. especially for Clarabella. So it's a big toothbrush for her big mouth, isn't it? For her lots and lots of teeth. So it's probably a bit like Dino's, isn't it? Yeah? If you're wondering what that was the train going by. There's a lot happening in my garden today. So hooray, shout everyone. Tomorrow we can all play together. They can all play together tomorrow. And Clarabella, well, she smiles a big crocodile smile. Oh, there she is, look, with her big, big toothbrush. And they've all got their little toothbrushes. So tomorrow they'll be able to all play together. And there's some pictures of some mangoes growing in a tree. Okay, well done. Well, I enjoyed that story. I hope you did too. And that is the end of our little chat this morning. So we will see you all again tomorrow, which we are so looking forward to, aren't we, Dino? There's Dino. So we're going to say cheerio, cheerio, goodbye, goodbye. Wipe your tear, baby tear, from your eye. It's hard to go, I know, but we're glad that you enjoyed the show. Goodbye, goodbye, see you tomorrow.